everybody? It's Johnny GT. So today's video, guys, we're going to go to ACO, the racetrack. It's my buddy's birthday. It's what he wants to do. I'm going to take the Scat Pack, which is just behind me here. I think what I'll do for today's video is kind of go over the tricks that I use to race my Scat Pack. So this will be a good video for anybody that's first time going to the track, or maybe the first time bringing your 392 to the track, guys. So let's get this bad boy started up and let's get the hell out of here, alright, guys? Alright, boys and girls. You know, I got this thing washed real quick. I can't be going on the track with a dirty car. I just got done a really long road trip, like 700, almost 700 miles. Get this thing, let's just stop. There we go. Almost 700 miles, so it's really dirty. It needs like an actual cleaning. But I figured I would get this thing, you know, something decent real quick. And I'll have that video out, by the way, guys, for the road trip. Either before or after this video. One of the two, either way. Let's get this thing cleaned up.
Sometimes we forget why we're here. It's easy to fall off track. These help us remember.
These battle scars don't look like they're faded, don't look like they're ever gone away. They ain't never gonna change. These battles.
Growing up, I had a dream, something no one else could see. Tell me what it means when your faith is falling beneath your knees and you can't breathe. Everything you see reminds you of what you're not or something you won't be. You gotta take what you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe in the business. Not because they wanna do it, just because they heard it pays. And who the fuck wants to be poor knowing that's how we've been raised? Society is getting heavy, I can feel the weight. The pressure of success is like 100 million pounds of shame. And that's the reason I'm staying up late, trying to find a way to escape the stereotypes. This day and age is making me feel like the only way I'll be happy is getting signed to a label and making money through rapping. I wanna share my emotion because this world is attacking the very principle of life that lets the people be happy. If you don't have a reason to breathe, why even live? These battle scars are impressions of everything that it is.
Alright, guys, so off to my first run. So once again, guys, doing a video for you guys. This might be the first time down the track for you, or first time taking your 392. What I usually do is I go ahead and I activate my sport mode. I have the car set up that when I activate my sport mode, it turns my traction control off too, so I can do the burnout. I'm going to leave plenty of distance here, as you'll see, because that Hellcat has slicks, and I do not need that thing kicking up a bunch of shit at me. So let them do their burnout. We're being called up, guys. So this is where you follow the instructions of the tech. I guess I don't know what you call them, but I'm gonna go through the water box until he tells me to stop. Okay, as you see here, I'm going to put the car into manual mode, keep it in first gear. I'm going to put my left foot on the brake, and I'm going to wait for him to give me the sign to do a burnout. Thumbs up, we're good to go. Got some smoke coming. Looks pretty good. Let's move forward. Take it out of sport mode. Oh, I'm not paying attention to Mustang. I'm not sure if that Mustang just hit the wall or just had an issue. I was too busy paying attention to, I want to back this up a little bit. And by the way, I put my traction control back on. I keep it in sport mode, but I put my traction control back on because this car isn't making crazy power. I'm not on a drag radial, so there's no point on taking any additional risks I don't need to take. Alright, I think I'm being called to move forward, or there's not making me any eye contact, so Let's get into the groove a little bit. So when you pre-stage that first set of lights, guys, there it is. So now when I hit, just so I can take my time, the guy's doing a burnout. When I hit that first state of lights, all I have to do is move up 1 inch for that second state, which says stage. That means I'm ready to go, guys. So let's move forward. Now we're staged, we're good. We're gonna rev it up. There we go. I leave the car in auto. Oh, buddy. Not bad, guys. And that's how it's done, man. You just want to have fun. I'll go over some other details. Pop my vent. Sorry, guys. It's getting kind of hot in here. Alright guys, round 2. Great thing about when you get to the track in the opening time, you have plenty of runs. They pull you up, you go through with, I guess you call this a water box. Gives me the stop. I wait for them to give me the signal, do the thumbs up. Wait, no. This Mustang, man, keeps having issues after issues after issues. I'll make him watch my video, guys. So once again, I keep my left foot on the brake pedal, my right foot will apply the throttle. I have it in manual mode. I keep it in first gear during the burnout. Sport mode's activated, which turns off my traction control for the burnout. Alright, thumbs up. Plenty of smoke, let's go. Alright, out of manual mode. So once again, pre-staged is the first set of lights, guys. There it is, I'm pre-staged. I'm going to move forward 1 inch. Now I'm staged. Left foot's on the brake. I'm going to put the throttle down. I'm in sport mode. Here we go. Mustang's got to catch up. Oh boy. You got me. That's the beauties of the auto, guys. It's really hard. Trust me, I've had a stick shift Mustang, and it is just not easy to be consistent with a manual transmission. His car is clearly faster, but you just can't get out of the hole with me. So that's just a little bit of evidence right there for you guys.
Kind attention in the pits. Gamblers race. Back to lanes 5 and 6 for your second and final time on Gamblers race. Lanes 5 and 6 for your second and final time run before your first round of eliminations. Once again, attention in the pits. Gamblers race. For your second and final time run before your first round of eliminations.
Say hi. Nice, nice. Alright guys, everybody's walking away. I gotta sign out. I gotta tell everybody goodbye.
Bye, everybody.
Thank you. And real quick, A couple of quick notes for you guys.
My car is slow. It's faster. Come on, count.
Okay. His modified car is faster than my stock car. So, real quick, couple quick notes, guys. I did not lower my tire pressure. It's something I would recommend. I don't care. It's just I do it for fun, and I still cut a 1/860 foot. A lot of people would argue you don't need to do burnouts either with street tires. It could really affect your 60 foot. Once again, I don't care. I go to the track for fun. I really don't take it too seriously. So burnouts to me are fun. I do them. I still cut a good 60 foot, mostly because it's an auto, 8-speed. You could lower your tire pressure, look into that. And that's about it. If you have any questions or concerns or anything like that, comment below. I'll see you guys next video. All right, peace.